Hey guys, what's up? This is Nikhil and welcome to the channel. If you want to watch the YouTube videos in floating window while doing other stuff like browsing, texting, then this is the video for you. So first of all you need to download is one app which known as FlyTube. So please note that this app is not on Play Store. So you have to download the app from the given link in the description. And after downloading you just have to install the app, and as you can see app is very minimal and you can search here for any YouTube videos. And also you can do just open your official YouTube app and just search for any video or browse any video that you want to watch. So as we can see now I want to watch this video now. So what you have to just do, you just have to open the window and just press on the share button. After pressing the share button you just have to scroll and select the FlyTube option. Now you can see guys the one floating window has been appeared on the screen, and if I click on it will play the video. As you can see now guys, video has been played in the background and I can do whatever I want. I can browse anything, or I can close the app and I can browse anything I want. And you can move this floating window anywhere on the screen. And if you want to close the window, then you just have to click on cross mark. So guys, this was the trick of how can we watch YouTube videos in floating window while doing other stuff. So guys, if you like the video then don't forget to give a thumbs up to it, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech related content, and please share this video with your all friends.